Hi, in front of me is HUAWEI MediaPad T5, and today I would like to show you how you can check a password saved in Google Passwords Manager. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling all the way down to access Google section. Then tap on Autofill, Autofill with Google, and Passwords. Finally, you can tap on one of your passwords that you wish to check and enter your current login method. Then tap on this icon of an eye located next to your password to make it visible. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!